In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Futures. First, open your browser and head to finviz.com. From the top menu, find the section labeled Futures and click it. This takes you straight to the dedicated Futures page, which is designed to give you a fast, visual snapshot of what's happening across global markets. Right away, you'll see the Futures heat map. This is a color-coded grid that shows a wide range of futures contracts at a glance. Green tiles indicate contracts that are up on the day, while red tiles indicate contracts that are down. The deeper the shade, the larger the move. This makes it easy to spot strength and weakness without digging through long lists. Take a moment to scan the asset categories. The page groups futures by type, so you'll notice clusters like indices, energies, agricultural commodities, metals, bonds, and currencies. This grouping helps you understand how entire segments are moving. For example, if most energy contracts are red while metals are green, you've identified a sector divergence worth noting. Next, look closely at the quotes and changes shown on the grid. Each contract displays its current trading price and the daily percentage change. The price tells you where the market is right now, while the percent change shows momentum relative to yesterday's close. This combination helps you judge both level and direction quickly. If you're comparing similar contracts, focus on the percentage change to see which one is moving more strongly. Depending on what's available in your view, you can switch between different layouts like quotes, performance, and charts. The quotes view emphasizes raw numbers, great for quick comparisons. Performance helps you focus on returns over selected periods, giving you a sense of short-term versus longer-term movement. Charts present the information visually, which is especially helpful if you're a pattern-oriented trader or you prefer to see trends at a glance. When you want more detail on a specific market, click on any contract directly from the grid. This opens a chart with recent price trends for that instrument. Use this chart to observe direction, volatility, and areas where price has paused or reversed. Check how today's action fits into the recent context, whether it's extending a trend or bouncing from a prior range. This deeper look can confirm what you saw on the heat map and in the percentage changes, giving you a clearer picture before you act. That's all you need to get started. By moving from the futures page to the heat map, to categories, to quotes and changes, switching views, and finally opening an individual chart, you'll build a quick, structured workflow for reading the futures market with confidence.